Let's discuss about causes of anemia in pregnancy. These causes can be divided into acquired causes and hereditary causes. In acquired causes, we have iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is due to less iron intake or low iron. Second one is anemia due to iron and folic acid deficiency. Iron and folic acid deficiency. Anemia, the third one is anemia caused by acute blood loss. Anemia caused by acute blood loss. Acute blood loss. And fourth one is anemia of inflammation or malignancy. Anemia of inflammation and malignancy. Fifth one is megaloblastic anemia. Megaloblastic anemia. Sixth one is acquired hemolytic anemia. Acquired hemolytic anemia. Seventh one is aplastic or hypoplastic anemia. Aplastic or hypoplastic anemia. These are acquired causes. One is iron deficiency, iron folic deficiency, anemia caused by blood loss, and anemia of inflammation and malignancy, megaloblastic anemia, hemolytic anemia, and aplastic or hypoplastic anemia. Then moving to hereditary causes. Hereditary causes include thalassemia. Second one is sickle cell anemia. Third one is hemoglobinopathies. And other hemoglobinopathies. Fifth one is hereditary hemolytic anemia. These are the various causes of anemia in pregnancy. In hereditary causes, we have thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, hemoglobinopathies, and hereditary hemolytic anemia. These are various causes of various causes of anemia in pregnancy.